10-4, they just come to the middle of Knoxville eastbound.
10-4, yes.
3-5 in net direct, K-22 pursuit.
Going to Clarksville, try to block TVI. TVI is successful. Crashed out. Stops 10-16.
County unit, he's crashed out. Knoxville,
Hands! Hands! Put your hands up! Hands up! Stay there! Hands up! Hands out the window! Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out! Get the fuck out! No! Crawl out the window, bitch! Get out! He's trying to roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! It'll be over if you roll over! Get on the ground!
Give me your hand! Give me your other hand!
That's all right. He's making me do it. All right. There you go. Take your time, John. Hold on, George.
Stay down.
Hold on, man.
Let go of your fucking hand.
All right, take your time. Here's the gun right here. That's fine. He behind me. I was just trying. Shut up. Okay.
Lock those, John.
That's what I need to do. You know me, I don't do that. I was just driving the guy.
Yeah, you don't run from us, okay?
The guy put a gun to my head.
Hospital, be advised, we do have EMS en route.